All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of critical minerals. It turns out the clean energy future and much of our modern tech isn't just built on good intentions. It relies heavily on a special group of metals and minerals that are becoming increasingly, well, critical. Think of things like copper, lithium, nickel, cobalt, graphite, and rare earth elements. These aren't just rocks. They are the fundamental ingredients for electric vehicles, massive batteries for energy storage, giant wind turbines, solar panels, and the complex grid systems needed to deliver clean power. Demand for these materials is soaring, driven largely by the global push to decarbonize and electrify everything. In fact, the energy sector accounted for a massive 85% of total demand growth for battery metals like lithium, nickel, cobalt, and graphite in the past couple of years. But here's the catch. Finding and producing enough of these essential minerals is a major challenge. Unlike readily available resources, critical minerals are often concentrated in specific geographic locations. This means that a large portion of the world's supply, especially for things like rare earth elements and processed battery metals, comes from just a few countries. For example, China plays a particularly dominant role in processing many of these materials and producing things like rare earth magnets. This concentration creates supply chain vulnerabilities. If something disrupts production or export from a key region, be it extreme weather, technical issues, or even trade disputes, it can send ripples throughout global industries, potentially impacting everything from car manufacturing to defense systems. Reports highlight that supply chains, particularly for rare earth magnets, crucial for EVs and robotics, have already experienced turmoil due to export restrictions. It's a high-stakes game of global mineral poker. So where do we find more? The hunt is on. Geologists and exploration companies are scouring the globe for new deposits. Sometimes they find incredible things in unexpected places. Imagine discovering a massive 20 million ton copper superdeposit in a remote area like the Tibetan Plateau, a region previously overlooked by many. Findings like this capture the attention of the entire mining world. The search for these hidden treasures isn't always easy, requiring significant investment and often happening in remote or challenging environments. This is where junior mining companies often come into play. While major mining corporations handle large established operations, juniors specialize in the risky but potentially rewarding early stages of exploration and project development. They are the prospectors of the modern age, looking for the next big find. These junior explorers are increasingly leveraging technology to improve their odds. Artificial intelligence, AI, for example, is being used in exploration studies to identify promising target areas, making the search more efficient. Companies are exploring for a range of critical minerals, from the more common like copper and nickel to less familiar ones vital for specific tech applications such as gallium, rubidium, cesium, niobium, and tantalum in places like Canada. The subsurface world is incredibly diverse, offering up volcanic deposits rich in copper, gold, and silver in Arizona, for instance, or layered intrusions in Labrador containing titanium, vanadium, and iron, potentially with valuable byproducts like rare earths, phosphate, manganese, and scandium. But it's not just about digging things up. Processing and refining these minerals are also complex and often energy-intensive steps. Innovation is key here too, with research into less energy-intensive methods for refining and new techniques for separating complex mixtures of rare earth elements. Another crucial area of innovation is recycling. As demand grows, recovering minerals from old products like batteries and wind turbines becomes increasingly important. New recycling technologies, such as those for rare earth magnets, are emerging that are more efficient and have a smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional mining and processing. Think of turning old magnets into new ones without the massive energy costs and waste of conventional methods. It's recycling superheroes in action. We also can't ignore the environmental legacy of mining. Many historical mine sites developed before modern environmental standards exist, leaving behind contaminated soil and other issues. Tackling these impacts requires innovation and collaboration, including new approaches to managing impacted soil and potentially finding ways to extract critical minerals from this waste using clean tech. It's about cleaning up the past while building a cleaner future. Looking ahead, the race to secure critical mineral supplies is intensifying. Countries and regions outside of the currently dominant producers are actively working to diversify their supply chains. This involves significant government funding commitments, international partnerships, and supporting the development of new mining and refining capacity in different parts of the world. Even new battery chemistries like sodium-ion, which use different and more widely available minerals compared to lithium-ion batteries, are being explored to reduce reliance on certain critical minerals. The bottom line is that the world's increasing need for critical minerals for the energy transition and technology requires a multifaceted approach. It involves bold exploration for new deposits, technological innovation in mining and processing, developing recycling capabilities, addressing environmental challenges, navigating geopolitical risks, and crucially, the active participation of companies of all sizes, including those pioneering junior miners who are vital for finding the next generation of supply. It's a complex, dynamic field, and the story of critical minerals is only just beginning.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 1,500 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of Earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights, but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 2,000 earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here. Be part of it.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.